Bitcoin just made a new all-time high in 2020. Will we see a $20,000 Bitcoin by the end of the year? And we got some breaking news about PayPal. All that and more in this video. What up, homies? It's the Crypto Homie, back at you with one of those crypto updates. Before we get into it, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe for more content. So diving right into it, whoa, you guys see on the hour, like on the daily chart, Bitcoin's at $12,708. It popped as high as $12,874. As we said yesterday, we wanted to break. I mean, preferably hold above 12.2. But hey, I mean, we got more than that so far. Everybody's so bullish on crypto Twitter. We need to hold this. We need to hold above this because right now, it still has 9 hours left. I mean, I would love it to keep going. Let's just go straight to 14. It sounds good to me. But we got to stay level-headed. We can't get too excited. We want to see this close above, at least 12,500. I mean, if we can close above 12,700, that would be even better. But as you guys can see, we got the high here, made a low. We had a high, low, and we keep going up higher. So we kind of had our higher low, and now this, as long as it closes up here, it'll be a higher high, and that is very, very bullish. We also have some very bullish news about PayPal. PayPal, they're getting into crypto. We will dive into that, but let's go check out what Bitcoin looks like on the weekly. Look, on the weekly, once again, we broke through that. It's looking solid. That's what we want to see. We've never really had a body up up this high. We zoom in here. As you guys can see, when have we had a body this high? This high, guys. Let's go back to the monthly though. I'll show you guys right here. There's only 2 other months that we've been this high on with a body candle. That's crazy, guys. This right here may not seem that big of a deal, but there's been no other bodies really above 11,600, and most of them were closer to 10K, like 10.5. So this right here, if this can hold on the monthly, obviously has 10 days, 10 hours left. But if we can hold up here, I mean, that right there is great. And then especially, let's say next month, we can come in and hold above 14,000. That'll be the first month to close above 14,000. That right there is super, super bullish. As of right now, this is looking really good. I mean, last month was, not so great. Everybody, loved the August run, and then September was kind of ended not so great, and then October's But now look at October. October's looking good. Jason A. Williams with his new all-time high Bitcoin call for October 31st. I don't know. Now it's looking pretty good. We've seen crazy stuff like this happen in 2017 where it'll just move $1,000 an hour. I don't know about you, homies. I am so ready for that. But let's go check out on Twitter. We had Yano at Jason Yanowitz says PayPal is launching Bitcoin purchases. And Bitcoin just ripped through 12K, and Raoul Pal gave Bitcoin a 1 million price target. And he said it's only Wednesday with a bunch of rockets to the moon. Okay, guys, I mean, just breaking this down, PayPal, they've had rumors about a year ago that they were going to allow their customers to buy Bitcoin, and that's just crazy. I mean, it's just amazing news. Amazing. This is so bullish, homies. So bullish. If you don't own any Bitcoin, I don't know what you're doing here, homie. I don't understand. And Bitcoin ripping through 12K, which as we can see is at $12,750 right now. Crazy awesome. And Raoul Pal gave Bitcoin a 1 million price target. That kind of sounds crazy, right? $1 million Bitcoin. I don't know. Maybe in the next decade we will see it, or sooner than that. So Pomp, he tweeted this out as well today. He said, Fed cutting interest rates and printing trillions of dollars at the same time that Bitcoin's supply shock, aka the halving, occurred was obviously going to lead to a significant price increase. Bitcoin up more than 70% in 2020. Bitcoin's up more than 70% in 2020, homies. That is just some great news. Bitcoin, I mean, they're just devaluing the dollar. We all know that Bitcoin only has 21 million coins ever, but the US dollar, it has the infinity sign. That's the supply, the max supply is infinity, because they just keep printing more and more. They're like, hey, we'll bail out our buddies here, throw you a couple trillion, because back in 08 it was billions. Now in 2020 it's trillions. They just keep printing. And there is a talk about a stimulus. So a stimulus, in my opinion, would also pump Bitcoin even more, because there's so many people that are financially set right now that will get a check and they're willing to just take the whole thing and dump it straight into good old Bitcoin. Now, obviously, I do understand there's people that don't have the money and they won't, but there's going to be that small percentage that's able to actually, have a decent price impact, because people are going to see people are buying it. They're like, oh, I have to buy it. It's one of those like FOMO things. So just keep in mind, guys, the Fed is printing money. I don't know. I can't wait for the next stimulus check, because I personally just want to put it all into some good old Bitcoins and just let it be. I know if you took the first check, put it into Bitcoin, you're up like, I mean, Bitcoin's around 7K then, so you're up a lot on your money. You probably are close to 60-70% gains on your money. That's just crazy. And hey, we got a tweet by Girl Gone Crypto at girlgone_crypto. She said 350 million PayPal users, ... only 21 million Bitcoin. And then bullish in all caps and a space between letters. Yeah, guys, this is very bullish. There's 350 million PayPal users, only 21 million Bitcoin. Did you also know there's more millionaires than there are Bitcoin? So this right here, I don't know about you guys, is super, super bullish. You have 350 million people that are now able to use this because they already have PayPal accounts. They already have an account. They don't have to sign up. There's no KYC. They already did all that. It's all done. They already have an account. They're now able to participate in the Bitcoin economy. They're now able to buy, a part of their 21 million Bitcoin ever being created. What do you guys think about that? I think that is such bullish news. With that's such a massive difference. 350 million compared to 21 million Bitcoin. I don't know about you guys, but that is super bullish. And hey guys, just wrapping it up on the Bitcoin chart, we're seeing 12,700. It's looking great. How are the alts looking though? We got those alts. We all hold alts. I own alts, and yesterday they were looking bad. You got Ample up 17% today. 17%. That is what I'm talking about. You got OMG up 7%. You got HNT up about 3.5%. I thought that it was something else by accident. BNB hold just under $30 a BNB. Whoa. Chainlink. Okay, we got to check some Chainlink out though. We got some Chainlink right here. Look at this massive dip yesterday. It was, if you bought yesterday above below $10, congratulations to you, my homies. Look at that massive pump. And we can't forget good old Uni. Look at Uni. The Uni token holding above $3. Look at that. It's nice to see it bounce off here. Hopefully we can get above the $3.20 area, like I said yesterday. Because if not, sub $2 Uni may happen. So, and Filecoin, hey guys, I made this video before. I got a little bit of hate about it. We're gonna see a $10 Filecoin unless we see unless we see Bitcoin take off, which we have seen Bitcoin take off. And so far we're not looking that great. Not looking that great. We're still going down. Still going down. There's a wick here showing some buy pressure, but hey, it's bouncing off $28. Hopefully it doesn't go down to $10, because I know there's plenty of you that bought it at 50 or 60 or way too high, and that's not good. So I hope you guys can just learn from the lessons. When mainnets launch, you got to be careful. Got to be extremely cautious. Don't buy into the hype. I've done it before. I've been there, done that. That's why I said I think it's going to go down a lot, and that's with Bitcoin staying around the same price. Bitcoin's pumping, so it may only hit like 20. So, but only time will tell. I wouldn't be surprised to actually see it hit a 10 eventually. It may take a little bit longer since Bitcoin's making some moves. But that's my, wrap on Filecoin. And as always, homies, this is not financial advice, just pure entertainment, education only. And you guys like the video, smash that like button and subscribe to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Enjoy this pump in the crypto market, and hopefully it keeps on going. I'll catch you, homies, in the next one.